How to create a killer opt-in page. I'm going to share with you a formula that's guaranteed to work every time. It's been tested in thousands of split tests. It's a winning formula. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Alright, we're gonna create this opt-in page with the tool called Builderall. I will leave a 7-day free trial link below. So once we are on the dashboard, we want to go to here, which is Canvas Funnel Builder. Go here, add funnel. Let's call this opt-in page split test. Opt-in page split tests. I want to show you how to do a killer opt-in page, but also how to do a split testing so that you can tweak as you go, and that way your landing page becomes better and better each time as you optimize, right? So let's go next. Let's select here all, and let's go ahead and select here the split testing funnel. All right. Now, theme, let's just use empty. I'm gonna start from scratch. So let's select. So here is our page. So we're gonna have a squeeze page, which is the opt-in page, and we're gonna have a squeeze split test. We're gonna create this page first, and then we're gonna duplicate and just change a bit of this page so that we can track the split testing. After everything is running, we can then come here to Canvas and go here to funnel conversion data, and we can see which pages it's converting better. So we're gonna have a confirm email and a thank you page where they're gonna land after they put in their email. So first thing first we want to do is we want to go ahead and here edit page. We want to click here and the form. So in this case, I'm going to use Builderall mailing boss, which is email autoresponder. So you could use your own one, but in this case, I'm just going to use Builderall. So I'm just going to go and I'm just going to select a list. I'm just going to select the leads list. Okay, that's it, and that's all we have to do. Now let's go ahead and save it. Save successful. And then create website. The website name is gonna be a killer opt-in page. Create. Okay, now it's saved here on the canvas. Whenever we want, we can come here to Canvas and see the the data here on the left. So now let's go access our website that is here, and let's go ahead and create our killer opt-in page. Okay, so just let's see real quick the pages that we've got here. So we got the squeeze page, which is this one, the opt-in page. We have the confirm email page, the thank you page, which is where they're gonna go after they put in the email, and the squeeze split test, which is the same page as this one, but with a little bit different, so that we can see which one converts better. Okay, so first thing is first, let's make this landing page a killer opt-in page. First thing we want to do, so this is the top. I want to make it smaller. I don't need it. Here's a button. I don't need this button. I'm just gonna delete. Right click and delete. Okay, the first thing we need on a landing page, okay, this is the bottom. We want to add disclaimers here on the bottom and terms of service, that kind of thing here. In this video, I'm gonna focus on creating a killer landing page, and this part you can do yourself, right? First thing we want to do is have a title, and we want to have a title that grabs your reader to the throat, and so that they put in their email, name and email. So here's the headline formula that works every time. It goes finally, how to get, and then here, let me put in brackets, we want the desired result that they want, result without, add some brackets, the thing they fear the most in a specific time frame. Let's put a dash here, and then guaranteed. Specific. All right, so that's our proven title that works every time, guaranteed. So let me just go ahead and put this text into the middle. This formula right here works every single time. Now, you can go ahead and have a opt-in sub headline. You could go ahead and do that. And you could also have ultra compelling and fascinating bullet points. You could have these, right? But in this case, I want to make this very, very simple, where the user lands on this page and the only thing that they can do is read and like what they see and boom, put in their email and first name, so that we can have a lot of opt-ins. So here we have an opt-in email. Now let's go ahead and right click on this, and the appearance here. Alright, let's go style of the button, centralized. Let's make the text bigger here. The size of the button, let's make all the way big. The height of the button, let's make it stand out. Right, the background, I'm gonna go with this blue right here. Over, I'm gonna go background cover over. I'm gonna put a little bit darker. Choose this one. So in style of the button, label color, which is the color of the text, I want to put here white. Not this one. Form field style. So here I want to put this bigger. Spacing here a little bigger. The height of the email here bigger, and border style, I'm gonna have it dashed. I make it clear there. Border size, I want to make this like this, stand out. Now I want to add something very important. Say the training will be sent to the email below. Now let's put above. So what are you doing here? This is key element that you have this. The reason is you want to make sure that people put in the right email. So you want to put this right on the bottom. The training will be sent to the email above. So as you can see here, you have a simple yet very powerful and effective opt-in page that will convert. And you can change here the get instant access. You can change this for something else. You can add send me now, or show me now. Show me now. We're gonna tell them exactly what to do. Show me now. Alright, so we have this page. Of course, we want to come here to mobile and adjust there to make sure it looks good. I'm not going to do this for now. I don't want to take much time, but you can see this is a simple yet effective. Now, what we want to do, as I told you, we have here a few pages. So, what I want to do, so if I go here to this, right here, this icon right here on the left, not this one, I'm sorry, here. And if you go to here and you go to the squid page options, and here is where you do the split testing, the A/B test. Now here we have the quiz test page, but we don't want that page because look, that page looks like this, and we don't want to create this same page again. So what we want to do is once you finish this page right here, once you add all the stuff in the bottom here, once it's done, what you want to do is you want to come here to the left here, you want to click on the squeeze page, and then what you want to do is here, which is duplicate this page. You duplicate it, confirm, As you can see here, it says squeeze copy 1. Alright, that's fine. So what we want to do now is we want to go to squeeze again, go to the options, and here where we have the conversion tests, we want to click here, and where it says A/B test, we want to select, and here which is squeeze test, we want to change here, and we want to do, actually it's not showing here because I have to save the page first. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let me go back and save it. Save. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go back here to squeeze page, which is this one that we're on. Let's go again to here to conversion tests, A/B test. So we go here. The destination page stays the same, and here the variation page, the one we want to test, is going to be the squeeze copy, which is the one that we just duplicated. We're going to go ahead and save, and that's it. Now we're going here to the squeeze copy, which is our other version, our split test version of the same landing page. So what we want to do here is we want to change one thing at a time to test. For instance, we go finally how to get the desired result. The desired result you can change here for a different type of result, or without the thing they fear the most, you can change here too. In a specific time frame, you can change the time frame as well. So you can play with this, and the split testing will be doing. By the way, you can also come here, and you can come here to the page that has the split test, and you go here to the stats, and you can go here conversion stats. But you can also go on the canvas and see that. I recommend you go on the canvas and you can see the stats, right? So that is it. Of course, you would have to come here and the confirmation email page, you would have to come here if you're using Builderall. So this is the get instant access, which you would have the thing that you get, like let's say you do this opt-in page to offer them a PDF, you would link the PDF here with this button, and you would add some text here, right? And also here on the thank you page, the thank you page, actually in the thank you page is where you add the PDF, and here on the confirm email is where you add a text where you tell them, hey, check your email, I've just sent an email to you, so that you can confirm your email and get this free whatever it is that you offer them on this opt-in page. So that's how you do a killer opt-in page that's guaranteed to convert and work. Is this making sense? If it is making sense, comment yes or whatever you want. Say hi, say hello, hi Fábio, good morning, good afternoon. Let me know where you're at. As you can see, this landing page is very simple, and it has a reason behind, because when you complicate things, you tend to, people get complicated as well. This is so simple, and this formula here is powerful and works every time. So, don't reinvent the wheel. Do this the way it is here. Don't forget to add this right here. The training will be sent to the email above, so that they don't put fake emails. And that go ahead and test it out, and I can guarantee you will have amazing results with this formula. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you unlike it, give it a thumbs down. If you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as I will be giving you similar to this kind of content. If you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please go ahead and share with them. Maybe somebody on your team or somebody that needs to do an opt-in page, if they need help, go ahead and share with them. You'll do them a great favor. Alright, below this video I will leave a 7-day free trial of Builderall, so you can test this tool out. And thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video. Cheers!